Hi parents, guardians, and students. The following tutorial video will walk you through my approach to distance learning. Students will toggle between 3 primary platforms and 3 supporting platforms. They will toggle between our Zoom virtual classroom and their Google Classroom and Google Drive, accessed through their username at gaps.wiredsb.ca account. Their RazKids reading account can be accessed by this URL, as can their Flipgrid and Mathletics accounts. It's good practice to start off any Zoom virtual classroom session by having the following primary and supporting platforms bookmarked and open for easy access. Our Zoom virtual classroom meetings begin every morning at 8:45 and resume after recess at 10:55 and after lunch at 1:35. The link provided will not change throughout the course of the year, nor do you need to download anything. Simply enter the link provided into your browser and click on Join from your browser over here. Should you be disconnected, repeat the process. To access Google Classroom and Google Drive, visit www.gmail.com and enter in your username at gaps.wiredsb.ca. Upon entry, click Next. You'll be taken to a WireDSB landing page. Now, ensure that when you enter in the username, you remove the @gaps.wiredsb.ca and log in. Once you've logged into your account, locate the waffle icon in the top right-hand corner. Click on Classroom to access our Google Classroom learning. All of our classroom learning is posted within our Google Classroom. This web page is updated throughout the course of the day. Links are provided for you to access and download work, both under the subject headings provided, as well as at the bottom of a given post. The majority of work I post is available within Microsoft Word document form or PDF. Let's take a look at how to download work and edit PDFs easily. Your first step is to locate the work that you would like to download. Right-click on the link and download the link file. Now, locate the PDF editing tool that I've included at the bottom of every day's classroom post. Choose the file that you've just downloaded. You will now be able to either type within a given box or utilize the drawing tool. Once the work is completed, click Download. Let us now take a look at how to submit work and access feedback videos in asynchronous learning, all within your distance learning Google Drive. From either Google Classroom or your gaps.yrdsb.ca learning account, locate the waffle icon once more in the top right-hand corner. Click on Drive and click Starred. I've starred 3 key learning folders that I've given you access to. Let's take a look at the first one. Your Finish folder is where you drag and drop completed work for me to go ahead and assess and evaluate. Let's click on Starred once more to locate your distance learning drive. This is where I move your assessed and evaluated work and occasionally place feedback videos within for your perusal alongside your parent or guardian. Lastly, let's click on Starred once more to access your asynchronous learning activity folder. These asynchronous learning activities will not be assessed nor evaluated and can be worked on between 2:25 and 3:15. Now that we have unpacked our primary platforms, let's take a look at how to access our supporting platforms, such as RazKids Reading, Flipgrid, and Mathletics. All of the passwords to the aforementioned learning platforms can be found within your child's distance learning drive that I've shared access to. For RazKids, type in the following web address. Upon clicking it, a teacher code will be required. Please enter JDrucker1 and enter it. Now, locate your name and enter your password. Upon entry, please remember to focus in on your leveled reading assignment by clicking on the Level Up button. Access to the reading room will provide you with access to books below, at, and above your currently assigned reading level. To access Flipgrid, please type in the following web address. Now, enter in a join code. Ours happens to be my last name. Lastly, enter in your student ID number found on the password within your distance learning drive and click Go. To access Mathletics, type in the following web address within your browser. Then, type in the username and password provided for you within the Passwords folder in your distance learning drive.